Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on real quick and talk about this news that Alphabet shares are sinking 7% after Apple's testimony that AI will replace search on their devices, and also about Safari search volume being down for the first time in a long time. I think this is just basically a news event. I think Google has a very strong business, and they have several segments in that business. So it's not like Google search, even though that's the primary revenue generator for Google, is the only piece that of that pie. So I think the shares sinking 7% really underscores the importance of search, Google search in investors' minds, but I don't think it's accurate to the actual intrinsic value of Google. So if we look at their recent earnings presentation, you can see that Google services revenues and operating income here broken out by segment, and I mean Google search had a 10% year-over-year increase. Even if the total searchable market, addressable market for search is decreasing because of competition from AI, Anthropic, OpenAI, and other Meta AI and Llama's model. Even with all that competition, Google's still keeping everything efficient and moving in the right direction. They're still gaining revenue increases, even when their core business is under attack. Core business. And make no mistake, the AI LLMs will definitely eat into the search business of Google in the coming years. But it's not like Google is sitting back and waiting for them to take their lunch. They are actively integrating their Gemini 2.5 model into their services. If you go on Google search right now, you can see any answer. The first answer is generated by AI. So, that's using Google's Gemini models. So I don't think they're going to just sit back and let their business be destroyed. At least their search business be destroyed by, competitors and litigation, basically. But then again, also you have so many other core segments of the business doing so well and increasing. For example, subscriptions, platforms, and devices increased 19% year over year. And then you have YouTube ads increasing 10% year over year. The only one that really didn't fit the bill was Google Network, but that's a smaller portion of the overall revenue, and could be due to some unforeseen expenses. Also, you have Google Cloud revenues, and Google Cloud is growing by 28% year over year. So that's a huge portion that's of Google's, a rising portion of Google's revenues that Google is taking addressable market from Amazon and other big cloud providers like Microsoft and Oracle. So I think they're doing really well in other segments as well. So I'm not sure if this stock price is indicating that any sort of upside for all of these other segments. And not to even mention Waymo. Waymo is, probably $100 billion right now, and then only is going to increase as they keep rolling out into other parts of the nation and the world. So none of this is accounted for, I believe, in Google's valuation, and severely discounted at the current moment. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on and give a little bit of clarity on that situation. If you're a long-term investor, I don't think it really matters. I think you're in it for the long term, and you're going to see that Google's price reflects the intrinsic value over the long term, rather than short-term price action fluctuations because of a news cycle. So yeah, if you're a long-term investor, I wouldn't be worried at all. And I honestly plan on adding more shares into the public account if it keeps dropping or stays at this price. So yeah, that's my take on this. So yeah, if you like this, make sure you like and comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks, guys.